Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric, and today we're going to look at some new tools that I just got from Rotary. Now, this here is to check for fire, and it works very similar to what we normally use in the shop, where you put this on the spark plug itself, and then you go into the spark plug wire. This works kind of the same way. You got the same nipple on that side, and then you just ground it on this side, and it will tell you if it lights up, if you're getting fire. So, curious to try this a few times to see how it holds up. The other thing I got, which is really handy, guys, especially when you're working on stuff where you got smalls and you drop a screw or whatever. See if I can get it open here. But it's a little pocket magnet, and you'll be surprised how often you use one of these. I've got the bigger ones over there, but I mean, you get down into there and you're trying to pick out that little screw that you drop down next to the engine. This is a must. The bigger ones won't fit into there. So the last toy I got was, it's a engine tachometer from Archer. And I like its simplicity design. You know, you can put it around whatever to hold on to it. You can go direct to the spark plug or the spark plug wire and connect it here. But this is also touchless, so you can take and turn it on, and based on what you're trying to do with it, from what the directions said, that if you're working on a 2-stroke 1-cylinder, you want to have it on 2142 to start. From there, you just take and rev it up and put this close to it, and it'll tell you what you're getting for RPMs out of it. So let's give it a quick try. Alright, so I was watching the gauge and it went up to almost 1200. So that's pretty good. She's torquing out, and it's all battery operated, so that when you're done with it, it'll go off by itself. But it's handy because it tells you it has 2 different settings, and where you want to have your settings based on if it's 2-stroke, 4-stroke, 2-cylinder, 3-cylinder, 4-cylinder. And then you're going to want to probably look up online somewhere and find out what is the actual spec on a particular model chainsaw. What are they looking for values? So I'm going to start using this quite a bit. You know, I appreciate you guys letting me know what you have and what works for you. I can see where this would be handy for me, of being able to fine tune it. See, it just went off by itself. So on that note, appreciate you watching, and now I can find out how many RPMs my chainsaws and small engines run. On that note, you guys have a great day. We'll get this stuff put away.